Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the managing attorney at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. And I'd like to talk to you today about when should someone file for bankruptcy? When should you consider filing for bankruptcy? But first, let me let you know that if you go to hollinsbankruptcy.com, you can get a lot of good information there as well regarding bankruptcy and credit repair. Now, when should you consider filing for bankruptcy? Well, that depends. It kind of depends on what debts you have. Are you delinquent in paying debts? The debts that you have, can they be discharged? Some debts cannot be discharged. Are you facing a foreclosure situation where a bankruptcy is a great way out? You have a lawsuit that is pending that the cost to defend the lawsuit is astronomical versus just filing bankruptcy to get out of the lawsuit if it's the type of lawsuit that bankruptcy can discharge. Do you qualify for bankruptcy? Chapter 7, there is an income qualification. Chapter 13, there is not. But Chapter 7 is the fresh start that maybe you're looking for. You have to income qualify for that. Does the mean test fall in your favor? And this is an income test as well regarding your income and your expenses that you want to make sure that you're on the right side of when you're looking to file Chapter 7. So based on a bankruptcy attorney's experience, we'll walk through all these things and be able to let you know that, of course. But back to the question of when you should consider filing bankruptcy. It's when you're unable to repay your bills. It's going to take you years to repay the bills that you have. You may want to consider bankruptcy and just get a fresh start. If you're having trouble financially, just managing your cash flow, making your ends meet, you may want to consider getting some of that debt off you to help get to help you with your financial cash flow. If your debt to income ratio is very high and you're looking to make some moves credit wise that require a lower debt to income ratio, of course, if you discharge debt, your debt to income ratio will automatically improve. Of course, if you're looking at a foreclosure, I mentioned that earlier, or if there's some type of a lawsuit that bankruptcy can get you out of, can stop the foreclosure, those are absolutely great reasons that bankruptcy could be a solution for you. If your debt is primarily unsecured debt that you absolutely know bankruptcy can get rid of, unsecured debt, medical bills, loans, not student loans, but personal loans, credit cards. If you have a high amount of unsecured debt, then bankruptcy can discharge that. And there's no question about unsecured debt being discharged, of course. If there is garnishment from your check and they're taking significant amount of money from you, 25% of your income for the month, bankruptcy can put a stop to that as well. So these are some reasons that you should consider bankruptcy. Again, my name is Michael Hollins with the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. If you'd like any more information, please head on over to hollinsbankruptcy.com. And thank you for listening.